Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 24 June and I am teaching you chapter number 2nd. Name of the chapter is Bones and Muscles. So let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. Okay, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, uh, in the previous video I explained you what is a joint. Okay, joint are a place where two bones meets and how the bones are joined with the bone, that is with the ligaments. Okay, bones are joined with the bones, that is by ligament, and due to these joints in our skeleton there is a movement in our body. ठीक है, अगर हमारे स्केल्टन में ये जॉइंट्स नहीं होते तो बॉडी की मूवमेंट नहीं हो सकती थी. सो ड्यू टू द these joints in the human skeleton, we are able to move. And how the bones are connected to another bone? So at the joint, that is known as by the ligaments, by the ligaments. And one of the very important role which is played by the cartilage also. Due to the presence of a cartilage, the movement is possible, because as we know that the bones are very hard, so there is a thin layer of cartilage where the bones join, so that these hard bones do not rub with each other. So cartilage, this thin layer of cartilage save the bones from rubbing. Is it clear? So these, and after that when we are talking about the joints, it is divided into two parts, that is a immovable and movable joint. So immovable joints are those which have a very little or no movement. For example, this type of a joint is found in the skull, teeth, upper jaw is fixed, and the only lower jaw can move, so that you can eat the food or so that you can speak. And in the same manner, when we are talking about the movable joint, these are the joint which we are able to move freely in our body, that are known as movable joint. And when I explain you about the movable joint, then it is divided into four categories, that is the hinge joint, movement in one direction only. Hinge joint, ball and socket joint, it can move in all the direction. Is it clear? After that, the joint which I explained you, that is the pivot joint. Okay, so this is the joint between your head and neck and allows side to side upward downward movement. Is it clear? Next is the gliding joint, and this joint is found in the wrist and ankle. So these are the joint which I discussed with you in my previous video. This time I am just doing the recapitulation, and if you want to see the detail, then you can see in the previous video. Okay, now today I will start with the topic, that is muscles. So student, so our bones cannot move by their own, as you know, so they also need something so that they can move. So that is the reason our muscles are attached to the bones. Is it clear? So without the bones, the movement of the, sorry, without the muscles, movement of bone is not possible. In the beginning of the chapter also I explained you that movement is possible only due to the muscles and bones, because these muscles are connected to the bones, and that is the reason there is a movement in our body. So muscles are very important. Without the muscle there is no movement in our body. As we know, muscles are connected, or you can say as muscles are attached to bones. Okay, and what role muscles don't push, they pull. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये जितनी भी बोन्स हैं, मूवमेंट कहाँ कहाँ होती है बेटा, जहां जहां आपके ज्वाइंट्स हैं. ठीक है. सो विद द मसल्स के टू फंक्शंस होते हैं, दे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड दे रिलैक्स. सो और मूवमेंट बॉडी में कहाँ होती है, जहां जहां आपके ज्वाइंट्स हैं बॉडी में. ठीक है, आपके ज्वाइंट शोल्डर में भी है, आपके आर्म्स में है, आपके लेग्स में है, आपके हिप में है. सो वेयर द ज्वाइंट्स आर फाउंड इन द बॉडी, वहीं पे मूवमेंट होती है. इज इट क्लियर? ठीक है. जैसे मैंने एक ये वाला बताया था आपको, पिवट मूवमेंट, वी कैन लुक हियर एंड देयर, लेफ्ट राइट अप एंड डाउन, वी कैन सी एनीवेयर, बिकॉज हियर इज अ मूवमेंट. ज्वाइंट है, जहाँ ज्वाइंट होता है वहीं पे बॉडी की मूवमेंट होती है. हमारे हैंड्स हैं, आप पूरा सर्किल कर सकते हो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज क्लॉकवाइज, क्योंकि यहाँ आपका बॉल एंड सॉकेट ज्वाइंट है. सो व्हाट आई वांट टू से दैट मूवमेंट कहाँ होती है, वेयर आर द ज्वाइंट्स इन द बॉडी, जहाँ हमारे बॉडी में ज्वाइंट्स हैं वही मूवमेंट होती है. ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज अ एल्बो, ये ज्वाइंट है, तो यहाँ मूवमेंट होगी. आप सोचो यहाँ मूवमेंट करा देंगे, देन इट विल ब्रेक. बाई एक्सीडेंट चोट लग जाए या कुछ हो जाता है तो यहाँ कोई ज्वाइंट नहीं है, तो ये ब्रेक हो जाएगी बोन आपकी. ज्वाइंट कहाँ है, यहाँ एल्बो है, तो यहाँ मूवमेंट होगी. ठीक है. सो every movement need muscles, and there are 640 muscles in our body. How many muscles are in our body? And in the new book it is given 600. Okay, so there are 640 muscles in our body. So now, and how these muscles are made, they are made of a tough elastic tissues. They are made of tough elastic tissues. And next, muscle is attached to the bones, okay, with the tough band of tissues, and this is known as tendons. Note down this from the board. Muscles are attached to bones, by a tough band of tissues called it tendons. You can note this point from the board, because in the new book it is not given. In a new book this line is not given, because this is a very important for you to know how the muscles are attached to the bones, and it is not given in the new book. That is the reason I have written this point on the board, and you can note down this point in your rough copy from the board, that how muscles are attached. Muscles are attached to bones by a tough band of tissues, and this is called it tendons. Is it clear? and this is called it tendons. So now after that, your muscular system is responsible for the movement of the human body. मसल्स आर बेसिकली ऑफ ए 3 टाइम्स. तो आपकी जो ह्यूमन बॉडी है, ठीक है, हमारी ह्यूमन बॉडी में मोस्टली मसल प्ले ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन द मूवमेंट ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी. नाउ आफ्टर दैट स्टूडेंट, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द मसल्स, सो नाउ द मसल्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 parts, or you can say 3 types. One is voluntary muscles, another is involuntary muscle, and cardiac muscles. So firstly, in shortcut I tell you, voluntary muscles are those muscles which are in our control. Okay, and these types of muscles are found in arms, leg, eyes, tongue, एक्स्ट्रा. ओके, बिकॉज देखो ये हमारे कंट्रोल में है, ठीक है. अगर हमारा मन करेगा तभी हम चलते हैं, हमारा मन करता है तभी हम रन करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो ये सब क्या है, हम ये मसल्स ऐसी हैं जो हमारे कंट्रोल में है. जब हमारी बॉडी की मूवमेंट होती है, बॉडी की जब मूवमेंट होती है, देन दीज मसल्स बिकम एक्टिव. ठीक है, आप सोए हो, ठीक है, यू आर स्लीपिंग, तो स्लीपिंग में तो हम वॉक और रन करते नहीं हैं. सो दैट इज द रीज़न ये मसल्स ऐसी हैं. और जब आप स्लीप करते हो तो आपकी आइज़ के ऊपर ये जो आईलिड्स हैं, ठीक है, तो आपकी आइज़ भी क्लोज होती है. ठीक है, सो दीज टाइप्स ऑफ ए मसल्स आर फाउंड इन आवर आर्म है, लेग्स है, आइज है, टंग्स में. दिस टाइप ऑफ मसल यू विल फाउंड, दैट इज अ voluntary muscles, or you can say that these muscles are under our control. While reading, writing, walking or running, we use voluntary muscles. ठीक है, रीड कर रहे हो तो how you read? You read with the help of your eyes, because with the eyes the things are visible to you. You write with your hand. Okay, you run or walk with your legs. Okay, and you eat food also. So all these muscles which are here present, that is known as voluntary muscles. So these muscles control the movement of the body and are under our control. Muscles are of 3 types. Muscles are of 3 types. First I have discussed with you, that is the voluntary muscle. That is the voluntary muscles. Okay, so these muscles control the movement of the human, control the movement of the body and are under our control. Okay, so these muscles, beta, these muscles control the movement of the body and these muscles are under our control. The second important thing about this muscle, I told you that these muscles are found in our arms, legs, eye, tongue, etc. Okay, so while reading, writing, walking or running, we use voluntary muscles. So I hope voluntary muscles function is very clear to all of you. Okay, next one is the involuntary muscle. So Involuntary muscles mean the muscles which are not in our control. When in the beginning of the chapter I tell you about the muscles, muscles help in the movement of our body, and even muscles are present in our internal organs also. Muscles are also present in our internal organs also, like in stomach, small intestine, so food pipe. So muscles are also present in our internal organs also, and they are not in our control. ठीक है, ये मसल्स थ्रू आउट अपना वर्क करती रहती हैं, ये हमारे, क्योंकि मैंने आप लोगों को क्या बताया था, जब इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन्स के बारे में बताया था, तो एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन्स, ठीक है, आपके एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन रेस्ट भी लेते हैं, ठीक है, आप जब रोज रेस्ट लेते हो रात में 6 to 8 आवर, तो आपके एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन्स भी दे आल्सो टेक रेस्ट एट टाइम, बट द इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स वंस द बर्थ ऑफ द चाइल्ड, एक बार बच्चे का जन्म होता है उसके बाद हमारे शरीर के इंटरनल ऑर्गन थ्रू आउट लाइफ कंटिन्यूस वर्क करते हैं, ठीक है. इफ एनी ऑफ द internal organ unable to do its function, then what's happen, maybe that person will die. हमारा कोई भी इंटरनल ऑर्गन अगर वर्क करना बंद कर दे अपना, तो क्या होता है उससे, वो पर्सन क्या हो जाता है, वो मर भी जाता है. ठीक है, आप लोगों ने सुना होगा हार्ट अटैक आ गया. सो व्हाट्स हैपन, द फंक्शन ऑफ द हार्ट इज टू पंप ब्लड टू होल पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. इफ द हार्ट स्टॉप डूइंग दिस फंक्शन, देन व्हाट्स हैपन, द पर्सन विल डाई. सो जो आपके इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स है बेटा, ये कंटिन्यूस थ्रू आउट लाइफ वर्क करते हैं, ठीक है. तो दैट इज द रीजन इनवॉलंटरी मसल्स जो हैं, दीज मसल्स आर नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल, ठीक है. दिस मसल्स आर नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल, दे वर्क ऑन देयर ओन, ये अपना काम खुद से करते रहते हैं, ठीक है. जैसे वॉलंटरी मसल्स हमारे कंट्रोल में थे, इनवॉलंटरी मसल्स मैंने बोला ना, कुछ मसल्स इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स में है, तो इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स में जो भी मसल्स होगी उस पर हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होगा, क्योंकि इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स थ्रू आउट लाइफ दे कंटिन्यू देयर वर्क. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ सी involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles, involuntary muscles. So the most important thing is that these muscles are not in our control, they work on their own. Now where they are found, they are found in internal organs. Okay, that is the reason they continue their work and they are not in our control. They are found in internal organ, for example mouth, ठीक है. As the food, for example when we eat our food, then what's happen, from the mouth the food is pushed by the muscle to the stomach through the food pipe, ठीक है. So when we eat our food, from the mouth it is pushed by muscles from the food pipe to the stomach. Is it clear? So this is all about involuntary muscles. Now the next is the cardiac muscles. So cardiac muscle means, when we are saying cardiac muscle, is means we are talking about the heart. It means we are talking about the heart. Cardiac muscles. So these muscles are found in the heart. These types of muscles are found. These types of muscle are found in the heart. Okay, so cardiac muscle, it means we are talking about the heart. Okay, so these types of muscle, where they are present, these types of muscles are present in the heart, and they are involuntary and keep on pumping blood throughout the body. ठीक है, क्योंकि देखो बेटा, ये इंटरनल, ये सब हमारे कंट्रोल में हो ही नहीं सकते, क्योंकि अगर हार्ट अपना फंक्शन बंद कर देगा तो पर्सन विल डाई. सो उसका फंक्शन ही है, इट पंप ब्लड टू द होल बॉडी. सो दिस इज द कंप्लीट एक्सप्लेनेशन about the muscles. What role play by the muscle, why muscle is very important for our body, all explanation I have given you. And after that, when we are talking about the muscles, then there are, these muscles are again divided into three types. That is voluntary muscles, which are in our control, then involuntary muscles, which are not in our control, and after that cardiac muscle, which are present in the heart. Okay, so I just one quick recapitulation I do it of the same topic, so you can easily understand. So when muscles are divided into three parts, first one is the voluntary muscles. So these muscles help in the movement of the body, and these muscles are on our control. Okay, now the second question arises, where these muscles are found. So these muscles are found in our arm, legs, eyes and tongue. Okay, because when you are doing reading, writing, running, so all these are in our control. So that is the reason these are known as voluntary muscles. After that, we are talking about the involuntary muscles. So involuntary muscles are those muscles which are present in the internal organs. And as we know that, student, that our once a birth of a child, after that his internal organ work throughout the life. If any of the internal organ stop functioning, that means that person is dead or that person die. So that is the reason, if the muscle is present in the internal organ, that muscles are not in our control. Okay, very good example also given in your book, that when you eat, the process of digestion start from the mouth. When you eat the food, then that food is pushed by the muscles, and through the food pipe it enters into the stomach. In small intestine also, stomach also, what are present? Muscles are present. So that is the involuntary muscle. And when third one, cardiac muscle, it means the muscle which are present in the heart. And we know that heart is also a internal organ. So these muscles are also not in our control, because heart pumps blood to all part of the body continuously. Okay, now student, today we have completed the chapter. Now let one by one see the keywords of this chapter. Okay, one by one we will see the keywords of this chapter, and after that we will discuss the book exercises and question answer of the chapter. So first of all, open page number 17. What is a skeletal system? So what is this? This is a framework of bones, that is known as skeleton. So what is a skeleton system? The framework of bones, that is known as skeleton. See, keywords, things to remember, these are very very important points. This is the complete summary of the chapter. Okay, after complete explanation of the chapter, once you read the keywords, so these keywords will help you lot, and these things to remember point. If you are able to understand all this, it means you are able to understand all the topics of the chapter. So first keyword we discuss skull. Skull, what is a skull? Skull is a bony structure of the head. So skull is made of a 22 bones. ठीक है, 8 bones, 8 flat bones are used to protect the delicate organ, that is the brain, and 14 bones are used to make your face. So that is a skull. Spine, so long flexible column of bones extending from the neck to end of the back, that is a spine. And is it clear? नेक्स्ट है वर्टिब्रा. तो यू एज यू नो, टू द बैकबोन वी आल्सो से बैकबोन, वी आल्सो से इट एज ए वर्टिबल कॉलम आल्सो. इट हैज 26 बोन्स. सो व्हाट आर वर्टिब्रा? सो इंडिविजुअली ईच बोन ऑफ द वर्टिबल कॉलम इज नोन एज वर्टिब्रा. ठीक है, 26 बोन्स से ये बना हुआ है, और इंडिविजुअली सारे बोन्स का क्या नाम है? वर्टिब्रा बोलते हैं. ठीक है. और रिब केज, द प्रोटेक्टिव केज, इट प्रोटेक्ट रिब केज, इट प्रोटेक्ट योर इंटरनल ऑर्गन, दैट इज हार्ट एंड लंग्स. नेक्स्ट इज द ह्यूमरस. सो व्हेन आई एक्सप्लेन यू upper limbs, at that time I told you, here this is your arm and this is your elbow. This portion, this is your arm and elbow. So between this, what is present? Between this, what is present? Only one single bone, and that is known as humerus, and it is in the upper limb. ठीक है. लोअर लिम्ब वाली जो सिंगल बोन है उसका नाम क्या है? थाई. That is portion is known as thigh, and name of the bone is femur. Femur is the longest bone of the body. Body की सबसे longest bone जो है वो femur ही है. That is in the lower limb. अच्छा, femur भी आ ही गया. Femur longest bone of the body located in thigh. कहाँ located है? Thigh. और thigh is the part of lower limbs. Then next है joint, a place where two or more bones meet. A place where two or more bones meet, that is known as a joint. Next, a immovable joint, a joint with a very little or no movement, that is in your skull and teeth. Upper jaw is fixed, only lower jaw can move. Movable joint, a joint where फ्री मूवमेंट टेक प्लेस. ठीक है. और बॉडी की मूवमेंट बेटा वही होती है, हमेशा याद रखिएगा, बॉडी मूवमेंट वही होती है जहां बॉडी में क्या होते हैं? जॉइंट्स होते हैं. बॉडी में क्या होते हैं? जॉइंट्स होते हैं. वही बॉडी मूव करती है. जहां जॉइंट्स नहीं होंगे वहां मूवमेंट नहीं होगी. आफ्टर दैट, हिंज जॉइंट, ए जॉइंट विच अलाउ मूवमेंट इन ओनली वन डायरेक्शन. इसका एग्जाम्पल भी मैंने दिया था. दिस इज योर एल्बो, सो यू कैन move your elbow in this direction, not in opposite direction. Is it clear? So a joint which allow movement in only one direction, that is known as a hinge joint. Ball and socket joint, a joint which allow movement in all the direction. ठीक है. After that है ball and socket joint. So this type of a joint you will see in your shoulder and hip portion. Okay. So the joint which allow movement in all direction, such type of a joint is known as ball and socket joint. Okay, thank you student. We will continue the topic in the next video.